All right. I went to an Indonesian store. I'd say that what that is, but I can't pronounce it. I got a bunch of different snacks. So what I did is I focused on the top sellers. I asked, and my favorite before I've even opened it, obvious reasons, because it's got a great picture. So I'm gonna open these. I'm gonna try them. Well, I believe it says it's chicken skin. Kind of like pork rinds with a little sweetness to it. Different, but can't beat the name. Woo! This is crispy puffs, Savaya cocoa. Ooh, I would pronounce that that other snack popping in my head. All right, so this is a crispy puff. It's very light. Think of like the cheese balls, but with cocoa. A lot less additives and preservatives. That's not bad. That'd be good with like a coffee. Light snack. Smile all day. This one has sugar. That's really cool. They actually point out bad stuff. All right. This one's called Regina. It's a premium cheese snack. And yes, you're asking, did I avoid certain things? Maybe. They really like skin here. Everything's skin, chicken skin. Well, pork skin, I guess, is a Texan. We do pork skin, but a lot of skin fried barbecue, skin fried. I figured I'd do one, the phoque, and then try these different ones. All right, so this is a cheese snack. Tastes exactly like a Cheez-It. But no gluten, no added chemicals, no added onions made, or yeah, I can't read that. But it's supposed to be cheese and a preservative to last. Not bad. You could cheese it that doesn't coat your tongue. All right. Ooh, I should save these for last. How can that be bad, right? Coconut chips. I wanted to grab, they had a whole ton of different peanuts. And I thought, I'm gonna save that for my dad visits because like he'd go nuts in that store. Like there were so many different nuts. Okay, coconut chips. Oh yeah. Original flavor. So it's supposed to be more natural. Made with coconuts. Dried, toasted. Very good, actually. Wow. All are good. All right, last one. So I spent 100,000, a little more, rupiahs. So I did put a budget on trying snacks because those who know me know that I don't allow snacks in my house. Not healthy. Ooh, wow, this is wrapped, rewrapped. So these are their famous cookies. They require a bodybuilder to open the bags. Okay. So they're supposed to be sweet and savory cookies. People are walking out the store with cases of these. I don't even know how to open the bag. There we go. Okay. Ooh, they look like little biscuits. Well, egg, sugar, salt. Very light. Almost like a biscuit if you like sprinkle a little sugar on it, but it's not really sweet, just a little sweet. Well, basically, I looked these up online. They're little biscuits that are fried in butter to create a sweetness and a savoriness. This one definitely needs like a coffee or a tea. Very dry. Very, very dry. All right. So, I had a water bottle here a second ago. All right, so everything's good. These need a beverage. These need just a bigger bag because I'm gonna pound these. Are awesome. Think of healthy cheeses. Wow, smells like cheese. Right. Don't mix. Tori, get a water next time. These could use like a little coffee. These would be fun. Chocolate cheeses. Best way to describe them, but really light. And at the end of the day, when I'm tired and I just want to go to bed, I can do these. And these come in many flavors. I picked the one that's spicy with a sweetness, and I don't get the spicy. I will tell you, these are not Thai, these are Indonesian. So their idea of spice is not. It's like if the jalapeno was the world's destructive, in Thailand they'd laugh at jalapeno and use it as a kid's binky. Well, have a great day. Great snacks. I'll try some more. Let me know what you think. I don't normally do this. I've done restaurants before, but snacks are not allowed in my house. Maybe I'm changing.